Please be careful and do not get your Pinterest account shut down if you are trying these Pinterest affiliate marketing strategies.
Okay, I'll try not to.
So I did a video over on my main channel talking about my first 30 days testing a Pinterest affiliate marketing plan that I found online. And if you're interested in that, there'll be a link in the description. It's really cool. Please come on over and follow my journey. I think it might be interesting, but I got a very good comment, a very obvious comment that I knew was gonna come up and I knew I was gonna need to talk about. So let's just take a look at it.
Sounds good.
Okay, so Dells253 said, "Hi Adam, could I just use a SiteStripe link on my pins?" Now this is where everybody's brain is going to go. Obviously, if you're doing any sort of review from Amazon, being able to link directly to that Amazon product without any kind of middlemen or landing pages obviously seems like the type of thing that would make more money. Totally obvious. We need to talk about it. I believe that Pinterest doesn't really love this method. If you were posting lots of pins every single day and putting direct affiliate links in those pins, I believe you will get your account shut down because of spamming. They don't love that.
I don't care what they say.
Now, if you go searching online, you're gonna find lots of articles talking about this, but nobody really has an exact number because Pinterest doesn't really give us, as far as I could find, an exact number of how many times you're allowed to do that or when it goes over the line into the world of spamming. Some people claim that they put pins every day with affiliate links in them and never get flagged. Some people say that they put one affiliate link in one single pin and their entire account got shut down. In my humble opinion, I would say just stay away from direct linking using affiliate links in those pins. I think the whole spirit of Pinterest is to take a pin, attach that to your blog where you're giving more information on what that pin is promising. And I actually found a really good answer on Quora, someone who I thought really summed this up pretty well. His name was Jeffrey Conrad, and I'll link to this in the description below also. It's a really long kind of answer or paragraph or article that he wrote here, but I think it's really important to read. I'm not going to read the whole thing here. I will summarize it for you, but I'll link it if you actually want to go take a look at it.
Dumb it down for me.
So Jeffrey was saying things like, in order to make sales, you need to build trust first. You can't just put up an image, click that image, it goes to Amazon. Your conversion rate's going to be very low. Not to mention, you may get kicked off of Pinterest by doing that. But in order to gain trust, you need to create a pin that solves someone's problem. If someone is on Pinterest looking for bedroom furniture ideas, when they see a really nice pin from you and click on it, you better give them the thing that they were looking for by clicking on that pin. And the only real way to do that is to click on that pin and take them over to your website where you can explain to them, here are the different bedroom furniture ideas that I think work great for this situation. Here's why. Here's a link to it on Amazon if you're interested in it. You are then doing what you promised in the pin first, which then brings them to your website and helps them gain trust in you as a person before trying to sell them something. And he talks about this in great detail here, and I think it's a really good read if you have time for it.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
So that has been my strategy on my first 30 days of testing Pinterest. I want to create blog articles that solve problems for people. So when they find my pin, they go to my blog. Hopefully I give them some really cool ideas. So hopefully there's a payoff to them clicking on that pin. And then inside of that payoff, there are affiliate links that they may potentially go click on and buy things from me, making me money, which is ultimately what I am also trying to do. Let's be real. So I don't know what the magic number is, how many direct affiliate links you could put in the pins. I would say just stay away from it because it could get blocked as spam, and that is not the way you sell people. You have to build trust, as Jeffrey said in his article, in order to sell them things, and the only way to do that is to bring them to your website before you try to sell them things. But also, if you're bringing them to your website, you can do things like Google ads on your website and make money even from the people that aren't buying the Amazon products. You can have a newsletter on there and collect email addresses. You can start building your own products or a free PDF download of some really interesting things, whatever. There's lots of ways to monetize a customer if they are actually on your website. So I don't think skipping out the middleman in this situation is a smart idea. I say keep it in there. That's the path I'm taking and testing. And if you want to see the results of my testing, go check out my main channel and please follow along. And thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one.
Really doubt that.